CVS is now holding off on offering the new COVID vaccine in 16 states, citing the current regulatory environment. A top Senate Republican is now calling for a vaccine advisory meeting to be postponed. He says serious allegations have been made about the lack of scientific process being followed. ABC's Perry Russum is in Washington.
The largest pharmacy chain in America, CVS, now holding off on offering COVID vaccines in 3 states, New Mexico, Massachusetts, and Nevada. In 13 other states, you now need a prescription. The company citing the current regulatory environment for the decision. It comes as Republican Senator Bill Cassidy calls for an upcoming vaccine advisory meeting to be postponed. He says serious allegations have been made about the Department of Health and Human Services meeting's agenda, membership, and lack of scientific process being followed. Cassidy pointing to the current turmoil in CDC leadership.
There's a lot of trouble at CDC, and it's going to require getting rid of some people over the long term in order for us to change the institutional culture.
HHS Deputy Secretary Jim O'Neill is now temporarily leading the CDC after the White House claims it fired Susan Menarez, who was nominated by President Trump.
If people are not aligned with the president's vision and the secretary's vision to make our country healthy again, then we will gladly show them the door.
Menarez's lawyers say she refused to rubber stamp unscientific, reckless directives and fire dedicated health experts. 4 top officials at the CDC resigning in protest, including the chief medical officer.
We need our leaders above us to believe in CDC and stop saying question the experts.
Former director of the CDC, Tom Frieden, on ABC News Live.
It is absolutely in the authority of the White House and HHS to set policy. What's not in their authority is to determine truth. And that's what they're trying to do. What we're seeing is the really spread of inaccurate, false, unscientific beliefs and statements.
Menarez's lawyers are still rejecting her firing. They say only President Trump can fire her, and they say that has not happened. In a letter sent to CDC staff last night, Secretary Kennedy writes the American people are ready to believe in this agency again if we show them that integrity, accountability, and science guide every decision. Perry Russum, ABC News, Washington.